Welcome to FlipDrop, the channel dedicated to finding the most profitable and undersaturated products to dropship on AliExpress. Let's begin. Our first product is the Pastry Dough Tamper Kit. Create beautiful pastry shells in minutes with this Pastry Dough Tamper Kit. Easily secures dough to bottom and sides of pan and neatens dough for flawless edges. Perfect for all kinds of pastries, making a prettier dough edge with flawless design. Now this item is in the homeware/baking niche. It's an evergreen product, meaning it can be sold all year round. This item is not overly saturated with only 449 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has over 6,000 likes and over 500 comments and 2,000 shares. Now the selling price for this item is $12.91 and the product cost is 63 cents. The shipping for this item is $2.28, leaving you with a profit of $10. Next up is the Tone Up Arm Sleeves. The Tone Up arm sleeves are designed extra tight for advanced arm compression to tone up loose and sagging skin on the arm area and accentuates your curves by shaping your biceps. Now this item is in the health and fitness niche. This item is a problem solver. It's an evergreen product. Proven seller on AliExpress with over 4,000 orders. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 2,000 likes and over 200 comments and 500 shares. Now the profit margin on this item is fantastic, as the selling price for this is $16.95 and the product cost is 0.01 cent. The shipping for this item is $1.58, leaving you with a profit of $15.36. Next product is the Kids 360-degree automated toothbrush. This item makes every kid's daily oral routine quicker, easier, and more fun. The Kids 360-degree automated toothbrush's design specifically reaches all surface areas including the front, rear, and biting surfaces of the teeth, while also reaching the molars. It has a built-in sing-along that teaches kids the recommended brushing technique. Now this item is in the personal care niche. This item is a problem solver. It's an evergreen product. Would be perfect for a one-product store. We feel this item has a lot of potential, and it's not overly saturated, just over 400 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 900 likes and over 200 comments and 500 shares. The selling price for this is $49.95 and the product cost is $16.95. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a healthy profit of $33. Next product is the 2-in-1 portable car heater and windshield defroster. This portable 2-in-1 car heater is designed to quickly clear the frost, fog, mist on your vehicle's windshield. It can also be used as your personal heater and lets you enjoy warmer driving in cold winter. Plus it has a cold air setting that lets you enjoy cooler air during summer or hot days. Now this item is in the automotive niche. The item is a problem solver. It's a seasonal product, but this can vary on where your target audience is located. Has a broad market appeal. And it's not overly saturated, just over 400 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 459 likes and over 35 comments. The selling price for this is $29.36 and the product cost is $4.10. The shipping for this item is $8.38, leaving you with a healthy profit of $16.88. Next is the automatic sprouter machine. Grow your very own organic leafy sprouts right in the comfort of your home. This amazing machine can grow bean sprouts, spinach, string beans, black beans, radish, mustard, and much more. No soil required, grow nutritious sprouts from seeds all year round. 360-degree sprinkler to prevent uneven germination of beans. Now this item is in the homeware niche. It has the wow factor. It's an evergreen product. Would be perfect for a one-product store. Has a broad market appeal. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with over 1,000 orders. The Facebook ad for this product has just over 2,000 likes and over 400 comments. Now this item sells for $49.95 and the product cost is $16.95. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a healthy profit of $33. Our next item is the Nano Mist Diffuser. A nano diffuser is the smartest way to carry and dispense sanitizer. You can use it on all surfaces, your mobile phone, your keys, elevator buttons, electronic devices, poles on public transportation, even your clothes and groceries before storing them. Now this item is in the homeware niche. This product has a lot of potential due to the ongoing COVID crisis. It's an evergreen product, has a broad market appeal. It's not overly saturated with just over 200 orders. Comes in multiple colors. The Facebook ad for this product has over 11,000 likes and over 1,700 comments. Now this item sells for $16.99 and the product cost is $4.51. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a healthy profit of $12.48. Our last item is the wireless guitar amplifier. Never feel restricted again by using a cable attachment to play your guitar. It's as easy to use as your standard guitar cable. Simply plug the wireless guitar amplifier transmitter into your instrument and the receiver into a pedal or amp. Best of all, you don't have to sacrifice tone when you use the wireless guitar amplifier device. Yielding the same sound you expect from a quality cable, this revolutionary wireless amplifier is setting a new standard. Experience ultimate freedom, cables free. Now this item is in the music accessory niche. It's an evergreen product. Would be perfect for a one-product store. It's not overly saturated with just over 270 orders. The Facebook ad for this product has over 500 likes and over 57 comments. Now this item sells for $65.99 and the product cost is $32.99. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a healthy profit of $33. If you are looking for the Facebook targeting, head over to www.flipdrop.co.uk where you can find a targeting graph for each item. All 100% free, no opt-in or registration needed.